Welcome to the front of new OnePlus Nord SE2, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So to do that, we should open the notification panel, and here on the top bar we can see all the available icons. And just to add, remove, or just to customize our top bar here, we should click here on the edit icon. And here we got these visible icons on the notification panel, and these icons on this down section. From this down section we can add to our top bar. To do that, we just should hold for a while the icon and drag this icon here to this up section by this way. And by the same way, for example, we'll add here the app lock icon, and just to go, when we'll go back, we can see here the changes that we just successfully add two more icons to our top bar here. And just to remove some icons by the same way, you should just hold for a while the icon and drag it here to this down section by this way. And to change the position, sure, you should hold for a while the icon and drag it to the position where you want to just change. For example, the airplane mode will be here on the second. Just the third one will be the flashlight, and by this way you can change all of the icons here so as you like. So that's it. That's how to edit notification panel shortcuts on our OnePlus Nord SE2. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.